This will be a quick review on The Black Book of Soul, written by Deep Trivedi, who is the author of the bestseller I Am the Mind. So, Deep Trivedi is a renowned author, speaker, and a pioneer in spiritual psychodynamics. He writes and conducts lectures as well as workshops with all and different perspectives, guiding individual towards the achievement of their full potential. So, likewise, we see that he is coming up with works like I Am Krishna, The Black Book of Soul, and I Am the Mind, which is certainly a bestseller that has been published in national and international languages. And if we talk about the contents of the book, we see it talks and initiates by allowing us to understand what is the soul. It has touched certain corners of science, theology, and others for us to understand the interconnectedness of body, mind, and soul. So he talks about, from the contents, if we see, there is importance of the Bhagavad Gita, scientific secret of the soul. Is soul just a witness? Soul has a direct relation to life. It says soul is pran. It talks about the inner strength of Christ. It talks about the inner strength of Meera, and simple methods for self-realization. Now, approximately there are 26 of different chapters, and each chapters will allow you to connect more and more with the soul. So if I talk about my personal opinion, so certainly this book has allowed me to understand the different areas of the functioning of mind and how do we analyze ourselves. So it kind of allowed me to interrogate as to who I am and what do I want and what have I achieved and what more do I want to. So certainly it gives me a balanced life, balanced way of thinking, balanced way of approaching to life. And certainly I see that, entire life that we are living, we are not being able to understand what exactly we are leading on to. So we are in an invisible lining of ourselves. So this book will allow you to grapple certain questions and answer to them all by yourself when you complete this particular book. And more importantly, I have been able to connect with the book because the language is lucid. It allowed me to understand with ease, and there is no scope of ambiguity. So in one way, I can call this particular book to be very interactive because it becomes a process of interconnectedness with the reader and the writer, the intention and his approaches in bringing out such a wonderful book. So it is an interaction regarding the day-to-day concerns, the day-to-day life that are earlier not untouched or unheard. So we see certain aspects and certain elements coming up like involvement, acceptance, freedom, ego, love, balanced emotion, complexity, confusion, personality. So there are certain elements which are constantly being touched upon. So we can say that, he has in-depth analysis on these elements that will allow you to understand what exactly human beings are and how do they process their mind, how do they process every day. Even though it is emphasizing on the soul, but it also allow you to understand yourself from the within and advocate all the internal and external manifestations that humans are constantly running through. So it allow you to kind of rejuvenate your mind, rejuvenate your thought process, and direct you towards a path of more optimism, towards the path of righteousness, towards the path of wisdom, and so on. So there are so many elements that cannot be talked in one review, but definitely I will recommend everybody to buy this book because it will definitely give you an era of understanding of your own self, mind, functioning of the mind and the process. So it is always very easy, it's always very happy, it's always very exciting to know about yourself, the existence, the primary existence, and what it leads to. So you can get this book in Amazon, Flipkart, and it's available. And if you wish to kind of give you an add-on to the review of this particular book, you can comment or mail me. Thank you.